Let's look at lesson number 9. We notice that this problem is different than anything we've done before. The problem says to evaluate this expression. Notice that this expression doesn't have an equal sign. In order to evaluate an expression, first we will set it up on one side of the balance scale. So let me do that. I have two x's plus a star plus an x plus a star plus a 5. So we need to figure out the value of this expression knowing if we're given that x is equal to 2, but we're not told anything about star. So we need to learn that in any given problem, x and star are always opposite. So if this x is 2, this star is a negative 2, and together they're worth 0. If this x is 2, this star is a negative 2, and together they're worth 0. So since these are worth 0, they don't add anything to the value. We're told that x is equal to 2. X is the blue pawn. 2 and 5 is 7. So the value of this expression, therefore, is 7. So in lesson number 9, we're evaluating expressions. Please set up the given expression on one side of the balance scale. Keep in mind that x and star together are worth 0, so you can bunch them up together like we did here. And then you can figure out the value of the expression, keeping in mind that x is the blue pawn and star is the white one, and they're always opposite of each other. So if you're given that x is 2, star would be negative 2. If you're given that x is a negative 2, star is a positive 2. Please continue with lesson number 9.